In our previous video, we have gone through how to open up the ear cups of the KOSS Kph30i. If you have missed the video, you can find it in the description or up here. From there, we can perform any form of modifications and repairs, and today we will be specifically performing an MMCX detachable cable mod on this. The tools and parts required are as follows. For tools, we will need our soldering equipment, a Dremel or a small needle file, and AB Epoxy Putty. For parts, we will need a pair of female long MMCX connectors and enamel coated wires. We will start off with a set of disassembled Kph30i. On the ear cup assembly, we can identify the exit point of the cable. We will be installing our MMCX connectors here. Use a Dremel or a small needle file and grind down on the exit hole deep. This is to ensure that the MMCX connector will not touch the soldering pads on the drivers when they are fitted back. Prepare the enamel coated wires and female MMCX connectors. Apply a thin layer of solder on the soldering pads and solder the red positive wire to the center pin and the blue negative wires to the casing. Desolder the original wires from the drivers. Take note where the positive and negative wires goes and make a marking on the driver itself. Solder the enamel coated wires on the female connectors onto the driver. Mix the AB epoxy putty and press them into the exit hole area of the ear cup. Install the MMCX connectors and compact all the epoxy putty around it. Make sure the connectors are straight. Close up the headphone and remove any excess epoxy on the exterior. The epoxy will take about 3 hours to set and you will be good to go.